Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Walks. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are watching this video or it's your first time to come across this YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing. It's free. Now on today's video, we have an interesting topic. So stay here, don't go anywhere. And also make sure you give this video a like. So Jamaica has long been celebrated for its warmth, beauty and welcoming culture. But recently, though, a unique trend has emerged. Arab men are moving to Jamaica, often without their partners or families. So, what's really driving this phenomenon? First, in recent years, Jamaica has become more than just a tropical getaway for tourists. It's now a serious consideration for people from across the world looking to settle and start afresh. And Arab men are no exception. Drawn by the island's potential for business, its vibrant culture, and a more laid-back lifestyles than men are used to back at home. And many Arab men who make the move are entrepreneurs, drawn by Jamaicans' growing market. They see opportunities in everything from the real estate to retail, and for some, it's a chance to build businesses in a less competitive and untapped market. But the question is, why go solo? Why leave behind wives, children, and even extended families? So, several cultural and logistical reasons may explain this. First, Middle Eastern societies are traditionally conservative, and many Arab families prefer to see proof of stable conditions before uprooting. Jamaica is still relatively unknown to many, and families may be cautious about moving somewhere that feels unfamiliar. And then there is this matter of lifestyle. Jamaica offers a relaxed, slower pace, which many Arab men find appealing as a break from the highly structured environments in the Middle Eastern cities. And this shift gives them a chance to focus on their ventures without the everyday pressures they might face at home. And for some, the move is also a trial run to explore how viable Jamaica is for long-term life and business. They might send for their families later, but only after they have tested the waters and established a comfortable setup. So another factor is Jamaica's famous culture of hospitality and freedom. It's often an eye opener, especially for those used to stricter social norms, and many men feel a new sense of independence here. And pubs enjoying the nightlife, music, and food as they get to know the country on their own. And while this may sound adventurous, there are also some challenges. Living in Jamaica alone can create a sense of disconnect. Many of these men face the hard decision of eventually either bringing their families over or choosing a permanent lifestyle away from them. And so, while the appeal of a fresh start in Jamaica is strong, it comes with its share of sacrifices and difficult choices. Only time will tell whether more families will follow or if Jamaica will remain a stepping stone for men on their own journeys. So, what do you think about this trend? Should these men bring their families over? Or is this solo adventure the better approach? Comment down below. Let's keep this conversation going. So you should know that Jamaica is not just an island with a natural beauty. It's a place with a rich cultural tapestry that has been shaped by centuries of African, Caribbean, and global influences. For Arab men seeking to build new lives here, Jamaica's openness to diversity can be both appealing and challenging. And also, I've noticed more Middle Eastern people around lately settling up shops and restaurants. It's interesting because they bring a new vibe and it's good for the economy. But it's also different seeing so many of them alone. I think if their families were here, it would make them feel more at home. And one question remains. How will this trend affect Jamaican's culture and the Arab communities forming here? With these families often left behind, it's uncertain if these new residents will fully embrace Jamaican society or if they will create a separate communities. And in some cases, this solo journey becomes an opportunity for deeper cultural exchange. Living alone means these men are more likely to immerse themselves, learning local customs, languages, and even Jamaican patois. And over time, this could lead to a unique fusion of Middle Eastern and Jamaican lifestyles. But also note that life in Jamaica is not always paradise. Being away from family brings its own emotional challenges, and for many, the absence of loved ones becomes a heavy weight. Some men make frequent trips back to their home countries, while others spend years building a life here before they see their families again. So for these Arab men, it's hard, honestly. So, what's the next chapter for these Arab men in Jamaica? Will their families join them and create a new multicultural society? Or will Jamaica remain a temporary adventure, a place to explore, do business, and then move on? Let me know in the comment. And so, as we look ahead, one thing is clear. Their presence in Jamaica marks an interesting crossroads, both for them and for Jamaica. And this wave of Middle Eastern influence may be just the beginning of a new cultural chapter for both the locals and the newcomers. And so guys, thank you so much for watching. Let's continue the conversation. Do you think Jamaica will see more diverse families settling down in Jamaica in the future? Or will it remain a destination for solo journeys? Just comment below with your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe for more insights on global trends and cultural exchanges. See you in the next video. Bye bye.